I love building, crafting, innovation. I'm definitely more hands-on, but there's also a part of me that really loves entrepreneurship, which is what the interactive media and business part brought to it.
Interactive media business, there's a lot going on. We're doing arts classes while also learning coding, business, and prototyping, 3D modeling.
For example, when I'm talking to my parents, they're like, what is your major? You're breaching the gap between arts and business and creating a completely new thing out of it. The entire philosophy surrounds the idea of design thinking, designing something from scratch, of taking a prototype into user testing and actually having a product at the end.
You're learning a large set of skills and it's really malleable. I can go into graphic design or I can do a startup, and I feel like interactive media business really sets you up for that.
I think it's an advantage I have, this mixture of arts and business.
Interactive media and business is the way in which I will be able to leave my mark on this world in this new manner.